Hello, my name is Fatma Ibrahim from Kitomondo Secondary School. Today we want to present our traditional food from Mafia Island in Tanzania. Our traditional food of today is called octopus. In Kiswahili, we call it supu ya pweza.
Hello, my name is Adam. I am cook of this soup, octopus. This is among of organisms which are found in the sea water, and it is very fantastic because this food do not have much ingredients, because there is few ingredients such as this octopus, water, salt, and lemon. Thank you. Let's taste for you. Very fantastic.
Benefits of this food: it makes us to be energy, and we get vitamin in our body. And now I'm going to try this food for you. Wow, it is yummy. Okay, thank you.